Hello everyone, welcome to LearnExcel. Hope you're doing good. So today we're going to learn about data validation tool in Excel. So some of you already know about it and some of you will learn about it today. So data validation is a type of tool that is used to enter a range of entries that we want strictly. So say for example, here I have some name of students with their IDs and the date of submission of their assignment. So what I want them to enter here in this date of submission column or range, to add a date when they submitted their assignment, and the date should be between these two ranges. So the date can be from 1st October to 31st December of 2025. So I want the entries in this cells to be between these two dates. So how can I restrict the use of dates between this range? So we can use the data validation tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these cells. I'm going to go to the data tab, and in the data tab here I have the data validation. I'm going to click on it. So the data validation tab is opened. Now I want to allow only dates. After date, it is going to ask me between. You can also choose other options based on your needs, but since I'm going to use between, so I'm going to stick with it. Now the start date will be this. Click, and then the end date will be this one. Okay, so after this I have a little more task to do. In the input message I can tell people what to enter. Say for example, title, enter date of submission. Then I can also when someone enters anything more than this date or less than this date, I can give them a title like wrong date, and in the error message I can say enter a date between 1st October 2005 to 31st December 2025. So it's done. Now let's say for example I enter a date like 10/1/2025. It is taking the value. What if I try to add something like 9? It is not going to take, because I have restricted the entry to be between 1st October to 31st December. Now the same can be applied here, like I can say for example, if I take it to the year 2026, it is not going to take it because I have restricted the use of the year. So that's how data validation actually helps us getting entries from people, and by restricting the use of data through this simple trick. Okay, so now I have shown you how to use date. Now I'm going to give another example of time. So here I have a sheet where I have some employee IDs with the employees names, and what I'm trying to see is to enter the in time and the out time of the employees. So in here my main focus is to tell them that they have to enter a time between 9 AM to 5 PM. So here in the in time I want them to enter the office time either 9 AM or more than 9 AM or less than 9 AM, and in out time I want them to put the entry of more than or equal to 5 PM. So how I can do that? In the in time I will again go to data validation. In here the settings I will enter time, and the time will be, they must come by 9 AM. So the time will be less than or equal to end time will be this one. Okay, and for out time I want to enter for the data validation. Again I am going to select time, and here the time will be more than or equal to, so they can go after 5 p.m. but not necessarily before 5 p.m. so the time will be here, it will be, let me push it a little. Okay. So the time will be 5 p.m. okay. Now the input message can be enter your out time, and the error alert will be wrong out time entered, and the error message will be you must enter your time after or exactly 5 p.m. so that's one thing. For the in time I'm going to add the same type of message because I've already added this. So the input message will be enter your entry time, and error alert will be wrong entry time. Error message will be you must enter a time before or at 9 a.m. Now let's see how it looks like. So in time, if I say something like 7 a.m. it's going to take it, but say for example I'm entering something like 9:01, it's saying no, I can't enter it. Okay, fantastic. So our data validation rule is working. Now let's say for example the out time, she tried to go out of office at let's say for example 4.56. okay, let's try to enter 6. It's not going to enter. But what if I say she went out of office at 5:56? So it's working. So as you can see, this is how you can use date or time restriction through the data validation tool. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you very much.